failure, disappointments away. Cut them. We don't need them. Girl, they're not playing anymore. I know. God. Oh.
Around, but I found nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me.
Hi guys, it's your girl, Miss Casey, and I'm back with another video.
That's my dad calling me right now.
Back with another video for you.
Back to what?
Actually, this is my first video. Let me tell you, today is the day that I've overcome the fear, and I'm here just for you, baby, just for you. And you will see my face every week. Subscribe to my channel, please, girl. Subscribe to me. You don't want to miss my face. And click this so you won't miss any of my videos. And that's on. So let's get into the video. So I'm just going to show you what's under. So I did this to cover my big forehead. Like I've actually like a 5 head, but it's not that big, you know. Like if you have a big forehead, it doesn't mean that, you know, beautiful people have big forehead. But you shouldn't be ashamed of what you have, what God gave you, you see. So I will show you what's under.
Momentous truth.
You cannot be for real. Oh my God, you for real? You lying? You not?
What is going on?
They are rusty and crusty. So what happened? I was watching these videos and I was like, I can do this. I can do this. Nothing can stop me. Then I woke up early and then I started playing this video. Then I saw that they were using elastic band. I didn't have any elastic band, and the elastic band that I have,
They are useless.
I started well, but then I was tired and I didn't even finish my braids. Karma is a bitch. So this is me right now. And then I remember that I called my friend and was like, what do you think? What do you think about my hair? I did it myself. And then she was like, why are you bald? Like, it's just awkward.
Okay, no hard feelings, but I hate you. Not joking. Bye.
I'm really
Tired. Maybe I shouldn't do YouTube.
like, actually look good, you know. It's not that bad. Or maybe yes, it is. Like maybe if I pose like Rihanna, you know, when she had like this braid. Look at, like, come on, look at this. Let me tell you the tea. It doesn't matter what you have on. If you think that you are the girl, if you think that you are that girl, you will be that girl. So if I want to be like, yes, this is my hair and I look good with it, I will look good. Period. I will look good. It's only when you start saying to yourself that you don't look good, look like trash. But these braids, they need to go. They need to go. This hair is really bad. I couldn't take pictures, I couldn't take videos. It was just, but I will try again. I will try again. Never give up. Don't give up. Ever. Ever give up. So if my hair was a year, it would probably be 2020. A year of confusion. Year of you don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. You cannot be in this quarantine sitting and singing, I'm bored in the house, I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house, I'm in the house bored. Bored this, you're not bored. There is things that you could do. Things that you could read, insecurity that you could work on. Like there are many things that you should be doing. So let me tell you, like if you have been singing, you have been doing TikToks, there is nothing wrong with that, but at the same time you should do more. You should do more. Like you should, oh my god, you should do more. Like, oh my god, you should do more. Like, come on girl, you should do more. You know, this is about me and you, yeah. As I'm starting this YouTube channel today, not today, yeah. As you're watching the video and as I'm speaking, as you're subscribing to my channel and you're liking the videos right now as I'm talking, you should write your list of things that you don't like anymore. Things that after this quarantine, they're not there anymore. Things that you know that you've been struggling all your life, you should write them down and cut them out of your life physically. Cut them, my friend. Cut them out. Cut them. We don't need them. We don't need them anymore. So are you ready? Are you ready to present something that after the quarantine I will not have anymore? Something that I will cut out from my life. So as I'm cutting, I will repeat this, and then you should say it with me as I'm cutting the braid. Girl, we're not playing anymore. We're not. God. Oh. I will cut 12 braids and I will say these things and you should say it with me. And then put this in your mind that after this video, you will need to start be doing things that you will need to be doing things. Stop singing and wasting your life. So first one, I will start from the top. So I can't remember, I don't even know where my hair is. But my hair is long, girl. Okay, it's not that long. I will drink more water in this 2020. No more juice, because you need to purify yourself. You need to purify yourself from the inside to the outside. Ay, 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 ay. Oh my god, okay. So no more water. Oh no.
You're lying to me.
No more juice, more water. Cut it out. Yes. Is my hair that short? You will stop saying I will be doing exercises from Monday. You should start today. Cut it out. Period. I will not be insecure again about anything. Cut it out. Insecurities away. I will start to speak up. I will not be afraid of judgment. Cut it out. Cut it away. I will not be afraid of the enemies. Say it. Oh my god, say it after me. I will not be afraid of the enemies and the devil, because I'm a child of God. Away. I'm a child of God. Away. You cannot be afraid if you're a child of God. You can't. I will find my purpose. I will not be stagnant. I will never ever be a failure. I'm a winner. Cut it out. Cut failure. Disappointments away. These enemies, people, will not take advantage of my kindness. They will not take advantage. Cut it away. broke people, people with bad energy that are trying to destroy my life. I'll cut them out. Koro Koro, Koro Koro, Mr. Koro Koro, Miss Rona, Miss Enemy. You will not destroy my traveling plans, not destroy my lifestyle. This is for you. Away. So these are the main things that when this quarantine is over, I don't want to have anymore. Fears, and I want to be clear like water. You know what I'm saying? You need to be clear and clean, fresh and clean. When you come out from this quarantine, like, you are new. You are new, girl. I'm going to remove the rest of my hair. So you can leave a comment, you can write things that you will not have anymore in this 2020. Write them down, girl, write them down. Girl, remember to subscribe and like the video. I'm done now. Let me take my microphone so you can hear me properly. Is the end of my video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're still here, you're the realest. Girl, boy, man, I don't know what you are, but you're the realest. So like this video to support me, subscribe to this video to support your girl. Yes, see you next week.